Robo, I have a brilliant idea today. Statistically, that usually means trouble. Let's test fly this airplane. You mean the rusty one that looks older than me? Exactly. Adventure begins with risk. Adventure also ends with crashes. Don't worry, I watched 3 YouTube tutorials. Tutorials? We're doomed. Wing structure looks solid, proceeding with inspection.
Caution, high rust probability to engine housing. Engine start! We're flying! Warning, critical failure! Nonsense! The propeller's spinning too fast!
Whee! Buttons! Stop, study the panel first.
Oh, but it's fun. Desist, you'll crash us!
Woo-hoo! Let's fly!
We're gonna crash!
All right, let's roll. Initiating forward movement. Smooth as silk. Structural integrity holding.
Let's start the engine! This is risky! Relax! The engine is coughing! We must impress the buyer!
I turned on autopilot.
That is good.
What does autopilot do?
It flies the plane automatically.
Then why are we spinning?
Because you activated it upside down.
That's possible?
Apparently, yes. I'll turn it off. Please do. Done!
Stability returning. Look! A giant bird! It looks confused. Maybe it wants to race. Birds do not race airplanes. It's staring at me. Perhaps judging your piloting. That bird is rude. I agree with the bird.
Hey!
Honest observation. What does this red light mean? Fuel is low. How low? Very low. That sounds bad.
Correct.
What do? Land immediately. Where? Anywhere flat. I see a field. Good.
Landing attempt number 1. Focus carefully.
The ground is coming fast!
That is normal.
Too fast!
Reduce speed. Done. Good alignment. Landing attempt number 1. Focus carefully.
The ground is coming fast! That is normal. Friends, show some love. Follow, like, and share to stay tuned and keep me going.